with every trip to CVS, make sure you start out at your red box, getting your coupons and your CRTs for the week. Okay, so for this transaction, we're going to take advantage of the spend 12 on any CoverGirl, get $5 back in extra care bucks. I was going to get 3 of the CoverGirl brow pencils for $5.99, but there's only 2 here, so I'm going to grab something else that is close to the same price to go with it. So I found another CoverGirl brow in black laying somewhere, so I am going to go ahead and get the 3 CoverGirl brow pencils for $5.99 each. I'm going to be using 3 of the $3 off 1 CoverGirl eye product, and I'm also going to be using this CRT that printed for everybody this week, $3 off 15 CoverGirl. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to add to this transaction is going to be some Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. Now you do have a couple different options here. You have the Tresemme down here that is 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you're going to get $2 back in extra care bucks. And we do have the $4 off 2 coupon from the February 23rd Retail Me Not. I'm going to be getting 2 of those, as well as the 22-ounce bottles of Tresemme that are on sale 2 for $10. They're also buy 2, get $2 back in extra care bucks. And we do have this $5 off 2 coupon, also from the February 23rd Retail Me Not, that I'm going to be using as well. Now, when I get 2 of the Tresemme and then 2 of the other bottles of Tresemme, that's going to bring my total for the Tresemme to $18. I am going to use this $4 off your purchase of $18 of shampoo or conditioner CRT as well. Okay, so I'm going to add this to my CoverGirl purchase. So my total for the shampoo and the conditioner after my CRTs and my coupons, it's going to be 18 minus $13, which is going to bring my total down to $5. And then I'm also going to get $2 back for this and $2 back for this. So I'm only going to pay $1 for all 4. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to add to this is the Pepto-Bismol. They're on sale. When you buy 2, you're going to get $5 back in extra care bucks. And we do have these 50-cent off coupons from the March P&G. And there is also an app-only coupon for $1. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of these that are $4.79 each. I'm going to use that app-only coupon as well. I should pay right around a little over $7, and I'll get $5 back. So these will be like $1.19 each, which isn't bad. Okay, so here's everything I'm getting for this transaction. Let's go ahead and head to the register, see how this goes. Okay, so here's my receipt for this transaction, and I don't know if you guys have had this problem before or not, but on my husband's extra care card, see how it says the last 4 digits are 4593? Well, some of the extra care bucks that print out, which looks like none of them on this receipt were like that, but my beauty bucks have a different last 4 digits. And I'm not quite sure why, but that gave me a lot of trouble when I was checking out today. So here's the Tresemme that I got. Here's the Pepto-Bismol. Here's the 3 CoverGirl. My $4 off Tresemme came off. I did not pay attention to my Tresemme coupon. I had a $5 off Tresemme coupon, but it was for the Tresemme Pure, so I used a second $4 off 2 coupon. There is 3 of the $3 off coupons for the CoverGirl, the 2 50-cent coupons for the Pepto-Bismol, my $4 off 18 hair care, my $3 off 15 CoverGirl CRT, and they actually took $13 of my extra care bucks that would not enter, and they gave me a $13 extra care buck. So that's what that $13 is. I had $3 in beauty bucks and then a $2 off extra care buck. So after all the trouble at the register, my total was $2.55, and then tax was $1.63. My total savings down here was 95%. I saved $50.56. And then for my extra care bucks, I got back $2 for the Tresemme, $2 for the second set of Tresemme, $5 for the Pepto-Bismol, another $5 for the CoverGirl, and then also that printed on my receipt was a $2 off CVS Health, a $1 off 3 Gold Emblem, $2 off any 6 body wash, $3 off 12 shampoo, $3 off 10 Dove shampoo, $1.50 off 360 beauty facial wipes, $3 off Dove men's body wash, $2 off 5 for e.l.f., and $3 off teeth whitening kit. So my total savings on this one was 95%, which is pretty good. If you have not done so already, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And also make sure you subscribe so you can be the first to figure out about these amazing deals that I post quite often. Until my next video, you guys have a great day.